we are making apple butter. We've had it going since about 7 a.m. Now we are here with our kettle and we are stirring. So it's supposed to take about 8 to 12 hours, but we're hoping it'll be on the 8 side. So we shall see.
Making kettle corn right now. The trick to making kettle corn is you always want to keep your fire just rolling, and that way you get good, nice tasting kettle corn. Looks good, smells good.
Saves a little bit. Got it. Perfect. Nice. Got it. Perfect. You want coleslaw? Yes, please. Yes, sir.